快，请各位当心，有可能被水溅湿。
Yeah.
歡迎嚟到世界知名嘅森林河流之旅，祝大家今日喺森林河流之旅玩得開心。仲有小心啲，你哋可能會隨時整濕身嘅。Welcome to the world-famous Jungle River Cruise. Enjoy your adventure on the Jungle River Cruise today, and we warn you, you may get wet. 歡迎來到世界著名的森林河流之旅，祝您森林河流之旅愉快，請各位當心，有可能被水溅濕。
So that was the three.
歡迎嚟到世界知名嘅森林河。
Oh, they only have one line? I thought that they do this in 3 different languages. Let's see. I think probably it does.
Looks not.
They're definitely on a track.
Size on the middle boxes. 隨便揾個位坐，我哋去出發啱點㗎啦，就我們就做好，我們就可以出發轉一前啦。上船嘅時候小心梯級，小心腳步 ，mind the gap, watch your step。咁啊，坐晒，我哋出發㗎啦。Once we get seated, then we can start our adventure。之後我們就可以出發啦。出發啦，同埋樓上嘅朋友講拜拜啦嚇，拜拜，出發啦嚇！歡迎大家嚟到世界知名嘅森林河流之旅遊，Welcome to the Jungle River Cruise，歡迎大家嚟到森林河流之旅。我係 Eric，my name is Eric，hello everyone。 個呢個最近啦，快啲好啦，因為咧就跳上呢個船啦。好啦，呢個位置咧就見到呢個大象神啊，同埋啲守護神啊，頸蛇啊，本身啲蛇你喐下喐下，然後咧你嘅頸架就咁喐下，千祈唔好嘈醒佢哋啊，都唔好打擾佢哋啦。那麼我們繼續往上面這裡面去看一下啊，我們一直往前走的。好了，看到这个位置，你们看到什么？鳄鱼，你们看，那么肚子背着饿啊，张开口啊，那么3天没有吃饭了啊，那千万不要把你的手啊伸出船外面的啊。这个完全走了啊，这个是什么地方？你看，我们是大猩猩啊，这个地方打2的啊。快点了，离开这里。Animals over here, giraffes, and this one, the fiercest animal in Africa, the African elephant. Actually, they actually total this the African elephant. Okay, let's go. Very smelly up, huh? Hey, you see that one person climbing a tree and chasing a rhino? They get lost, huh? Oh, we save them tomorrow. Okay, they'll sleep on the tree tonight. Okay, let's say goodbye to them. Bye. Hey, let's go see. 好多咩地方嚟㗎？我哋進入咗呢個獵頭族嘅村落入邊啦。Keep quiet. 唔想俾人發現啊 ！You don't want to be discovered. 哎呀！有俾人捉嚟啊！哎呀！大家都安全。好，望個頭。咁啊，見個頭 ，anyone lost your hand? If you lost your hand, raise your hand. Anyone? Anyone lost your hand? 誰的頭不見了 ？You lost your hand? Oh no! Go back and find it back by yourself. Okay, we'll return first. Okay, everyone's safe now. Boat is ready to return to the dock. The dock is just in front of us. 好啦，全班都坐碼頭啦嚇，給我2到3分鐘嘅時間啦嚇，我很快就可以回去啦嚇。哎呀！
So I guess what I heard was that they had 3 different lines for 3 different languages. I guess because of low attendance, they are only doing one tour, and the guide seems to have his hands full speaking 3 different languages. But yeah, Jonathan, I guess here we have someone on the stream who knows enough Cantonese to figure out what's going on. And yeah, what I heard was that the guides on this ride don't tell jokes like they do at Disneyland and Magic Kingdom in the U.S. I could only understand the English portion of the dialogue. I think he's just probably saying a lot more in Cantonese than he was in English or Mandarin for that matter.